This is how I turned this into this state-of-the-art soundbar. Cue the music. Do you want to know what pisses me off? It's that you only have two options when buying a soundbar. One, you have a shitty black bar that every manufacturer makes. Literally, it's the same fucking thing. Or two, you have a lot of money and you buy something like a Bang & Olufsen or whatever the fuck you say that. Until now. So I designed and built this soundbar for under $100. Eat that, Bang & Olufsen. But first, let me show you how I built this. So after several different design changes, this is what I came up with, a smoother black soundbar. Let's get to printing. Don't worry, I'll make this quick. Because I'm using a Bamboo Labs A1 Mini, I had to print this in like 8 different sections, so it took 4 days to print. But it does look good though, and this needed hands of God just to support it. So halfway through the print, I wanted to glue everything together and put the speakers in just to see how they'd fit, because this was my first go at it. And I put some lights in it, and it was looking pretty good so far. And after 6 months, well, it's all printed. Now it's time to sand. I've also printed out a speaker grill where I printed out 4 different pieces because I can't fit it on my little printer. Then I glued them together, put staples in the joints so they don't break, put this fabric on that's made for speakers, and well, it did look pretty good for my first time doing it. And would you look at that? Just look at it. Now that is looking good from far. Far from good. It just needs... Put your dick on there, son. Now, I never claimed to be a painter, so this is the best I can do for my home. But if you want it done right, I would just take it to a paint shop where they can Bondo it and paint it properly. For the electronics, I use the ESP32 connected to an amplifier so I can Bluetooth it from any device and also control the lights and other things. Nerd shit. Let's get to the glory shots. So yeah, that's it. The 2.5 minute video about a speaker. It's really all I got for you, but yeah. So I don't know what to do now. Oh yeah, if you're curious on how it sounds, well, it sounds like...